Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Facebook notification sound. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your Design account and then head over to the three lines on the top right. And in here, go to settings and search for notifications.
Pinadi off.
So in here, you will find this notification section. Head over there. Now, as you can see, there are so many notifications option right here. So we just want to turn off the sound of our notification only. So what we'll do is head over to these reminders. And here you can see each and every one is turned on to push email SMS. So what we need to do is there is no option like that. So what we will do is just to head over to our settings option of our phone and head over to the search section and search for notifications and go to notifications, and in here go to app notifications. So in here you have to find your Facebook application. And as you can see, I have already turned off the notification of my Facebook, and it doesn't show me any pop-up or any notification sound from our Facebook. So also you have to do that too. You just have to turn off the Facebook notification right here, and then you will not get any Facebook notification sound on your phone. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. If you found it useful and if you have any problem doing this, just make sure to comment down and we'll just head over to you. We'll see you in the next video.